Hello, David here, and the project for today is repairing a door lock. I'm not a locksmith. I'm going to take it into a locksmith, but I just want to take it out. What happens is the key goes in, but it won't unlock the lock. Well, it's unlocking it now because it's unlocked. So let me lock it. There, see, it's locked. Can't unlock it. It used to be a condition where you pull it out 1/8 of an inch and you could unlock it, but that doesn't happen anymore. So I'm going to unlock it. Go to the other side of the inside side of the door. A little tiny hole here. I guess it's called the poke hole. Just push in with something sharp and pointy. The handle will come right off. Now somehow I have to get this plate off, because that should expose some screws on the inside. Doesn't seem to twist off. Yeah, it's coming. That popped off. Aha. 2 Phillips screws right there. And the outside door lock, that came right off. So I'm going to bundle this up, take it to the locksmith, and get it repaired. So I just got back from the locksmith, and the locksmith said that this model Schlage, once they get locked up or frozen, they can't be opened and repaired. So he said it's nothing but junk. So I bought a replacement. Got this master lock, WL0115KA4S. It's a lever action lock. And I got a couple extra keys for it, so I got 4 keys. That's a new one. So if all goes well, I'll be able to use the existing holes for mounting the new hardware. Let's start with the latch. The slope side faces the door frame. So far, so good. Okay, that's locked. That's unlocked. Let's lock and try the key. Can you lock it with the key? Yes, you can. That's great. Okay, let's close it. Yep. Hits the latch. I think I'll install the factory latch plate. Let's test it. It's working good. My only concern is that I would shim this plate out a little bit because it's only catching on the lock. Probably an 1/8 of an inch. I would want to have more coverage there. Maybe put some washers under this lock plate to get it out a little bit. But other than that, I consider this project a success. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.